an Amazon influencer and you're making some money, right? But you want to make a lot of money. You know it can be done. And you think the secret is getting more and more videos uploaded. That does take time. And I felt the exact same way until I stumbled upon this one secret, and it's taken my Amazon monthly income from down here to up here. We're talking 4 figures every month deposited into my account. It is all thanks to right here. We're going to quickly cover 3 reasons this was able to take my income from here to here and make Amazon my full-time gig. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Jill Bender. I show various different ways of how to make money online. Some of them I've been very successful with. Some of them I would never recommend to anyone. 2023, I hit it big. At the end of 2023, things started to shift and change. I was panicking and I didn't know what to do. 2024, huge struggle, trying different things. What I realized was that I wanted something that was going to be a consistent money, that I could rely on, that I could put out there, and it consistently will bring me money no matter what is happening. And that's when I started focusing my attention to being an Amazon influencer. Now, there's 2 different things here. There's Amazon Associates and there's Amazon Influencer. Amazon Associates is when I take a product and I talk about it and I throw a link in the bio. You click on it, you make a purchase, I earn a commission from that. Now, Amazon Influencer, where I take a product, I explain the features, talk about it, and I upload that video onto the Amazon page for this product. Then you come to this page, you're checking out this product, you want to learn more, you look at my video, you're like, maybe I will buy that. Click buy, now I earn a commission. Once you're an Amazon influencer, there's also something called creator connections. And that's sellers will join campaigns and give you a higher commission. So you get a commission boost instead of making, like, let's say it's 4% on this sale. They'll offer to give you 10 to 20 to 35% for every sale. The campaigns is where the money is, but the campaigns does take more work. That mess over there, this kind of mess that I have everywhere right now because stuff is being delivered to my house on the daily from sellers for free from Amazon. We're going to go over 3 reasons that viralvue has completely changed the game for Amazon influencer. Number 1, all those samples that are arriving to my house every single day, that's thanks to viralvue. Some of them are from TikTok Shop because I also do TikTok Shop. Lately, it's been coming from Amazon. I didn't even know how to get a sample from Amazon prior to viralvue. What viralvue does is they have it set up so you can go into that creator connections and you can search for any of the products that you want and select them. And then they have a pre-written message in there for you. It will tag the correct product that you want, and it'll send an email to that seller saying, hey, I want to do a video for you. Are you willing to send me a sample? I get replies daily. Sure, send me your address. I'll send you the product. Like this guy right here. This is a $400 red light therapy mask sent to me for free. The second really cool thing about viralvue is that they'll go in and they'll auto accept you into campaigns. So when I first started with Creator Connections, I manually went through to select those campaigns, and I ended up with maybe like less than 20 campaigns, and it was a lot of work. Like, it was time consuming, and you scroll through hundreds of thousands of campaigns to see if your 300 to 400 videos that you've already made match up with any campaigns. It is tiring. It is so much work. viralvue will go through with a couple clicks of the button. They'll scan all of those hundreds of thousands of campaigns to see if you have a video that will line up with the campaign, and they'll auto accept you. They'll submit the video. Boom, done. Income, huge, 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 huge. viralvue has a monthly subscription, but the amount of money that I have started making since using viralvue, that is pennies for me to have to pay for that service. The third reason I absolutely love viralvue is that I could go into my order history, pull up the 2,100 items that I've purchased on Amazon over the years, and it will organize them based on what's hot right now, what's selling, what's going to make you the most money by creating a video. Perfect example is tomorrow's Halloween, And last week I had jumped in, I organized all my order history, and it said that I bought a women's bat costume in 2022. And they said this is a really hot item right now, it's Halloween. I went in last week, I made a video, I uploaded the video, and I've already earned commissions on that product. Because one, I didn't have a video in 2022, I wasn't even doing that. I forgot I even owned the bat costume, but viralvue organized everything and it said, hey, bat costume's hot right now, get it uploaded. There were a couple different Halloween items that I had bought over the years, and I was recording all those videos, and I've been making so much money on Halloween stuff this year, and it's thanks to viralvue. Those are my top 3 reasons that I want to be a successful Amazon influencer and make the most money possible. viralvue's it. That's going to help you more than anything. I'm giving you a 10% discount, so go down in the description of this video, find my link, but grab that discount code. Go in there and just start with the basic plan if you want. They have an amazing support community. We have a Facebook group. They're constantly updating and improving, and they listen to your feedback. They want to know like what you think will make things better. You will not be able to live without it either. Leave me a comment. Let me know that you're in. Let me know that you've checked it out. You think it's cool. Give me some feedback on it, because as you can see, I'm super excited about it. I think it's incredible. I've been using it for months, and again, my income went from this to like this, and it's only going to keep going up. It's so cool. I hope you're excited about it. Make sure you subscribe to this channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next video.